Do you know what the first rockets looked like and what they were used for? The origins of rocket technology might seem simple, but they mark the beginning of an incredible journey. Did you know the first rocket to reach space was launched nearly 80 years ago? Let's take a closer look. On October 3rd, 1942, German engineer Wernher von Braun's Phi-2 rocket reached over 100 kilometers in altitude, crossing the Kármán line, the official boundary of space. This was humanity's first glimpse into the vastness of space. Less than 2 decades later, they began carrying people. On April the 12th, 1961, Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space aboard the Vostok 1 rocket. He orbited Earth once, reaching a speed of 27,400 kilometers per hour and staying in space for 108 minutes. As he lifted off, he famously said, Russian for "Let's go." That moment marked the beginning of human spaceflight. But the real leap into space came in the 1960s. NASA's Apollo program, with its massive Saturn V rocket, took the first humans to the moon. The Saturn V rocket is still considered the most powerful rocket ever flown. The V in its name is a direct reference to the V-2 rocket, as it was inspired by that design. Towering at 110 meters, Saturn V generated 7.6 million pounds of thrust. In 1969, the Apollo 11 mission, with Neil Armstrong becoming the first human to step on the moon, marked a turning point in human history. Today, the focus is on the next generation rocket, Starship, developed by SpaceX. Fully reusable, this giant rocket isn't just built for the moon. It's designed for Mars and beyond. Starship stands 123 meters tall and weighs 5,000 tons, which is roughly equivalent to the weight of over 30 blue whales. And yet, it is designed to carry humans to Mars. Unlike the Saturn V, which could only be used once, Starship is designed for multiple launches, drastically reducing space travel costs. Let's take a quick look at other historic rockets. Soyuz, in use since the 1960s, standing 46 meters tall. Soyuz has completed over 1,400 launches, making it the most frequently flown crewed rocket in history. Falcon 9, one of SpaceX's most iconic rockets. Known for its reusability, Falcon 9 has revolutionized the space industry, primarily used for Starlink missions, satellite launches, and Crew Dragon flights. New Glenn, developed by Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin, named after John Glenn, the first American to orbit Earth. Standing at 98 meters tall, New Glenn is designed to be partially reusable and is intended primarily for satellite launches. Rockets are more than just machines. They carry our dreams, our curiosity, and our belief in the future.
We rise together.
Space exploration is not just about reaching new frontiers, it's about expanding the very definition of humanity's potential. As Neil Armstrong famously said,
"It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
perhaps this is not just the beginning of space exploration, but the start of discovering new worlds, new life, and even new civilizations. Rockets are no longer just about traveling to space. One day, they might take us to entire new worlds.